In the world of construction, you have to be prepared for the unexpected, and you need a plan engineered to get you and your machine back to work. That's where our services commitment exclusive with a CVA comes in. Next day parts and 2-day repair, or you get paid. That's how Cat and Mustang Cat have your back. Services commitment helps stop downtime in its tracks. Time, after all, is money, especially on the job site. A CVA that includes services commitment helps protect both, getting you the parts or service you need so you can get back to work as fast as possible. That's what this is all about. Let's talk next day parts. With all CVAs, maintenance, wear, and common repair parts are available by the next business day. If for some reason the parts are not available or don't make it in time, you get paid for the value of the late part, up to $1,000 in Cat credits. If you're a customer who wants your Cat dealer to handle your machine maintenance, Service Commitment offers 2-day repairs. Your machine will be serviced and ready within 2 business days or by your agreed-upon service completion date. If the repairs are delayed, you'll get paid $1,000 in Cat credits. No matter the size of your operation, where you are, or your industry, CVAs are all about hassle-free ownership and maintenance, security of expert dealer support, and peace of mind from equipment health management. And CVA Services Commitment is about making sure you have a plan for the unexpected. A plan that gets you and your machine back to work fast. Call Mustang Cat today and be prepared.